Alright, y'all. I am heading out on an adventure to get my nails done. I had the idea of getting my nails done since before I came to Germany, so there's no way I'm gonna go back without getting it done. Once I have my mind set on doing something, it's gonna happen one way or another. So I went to a couple places day before yesterday, and they mentioned a Russian technique for doing nails to me, and so I want to try it out. Yesterday I had doubts about getting my nails done, but you know, I want to have fun. I didn't come to Europe just to come to Europe and not max out. And not ball out, so let's go. Let's go. Come on, car. I am rolling. My son.
Take the third exit onto L546.
My son is tired, so he's sleeping. Missing out on the adventure. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Let me go.
Turn right onto K4167. In half a mile, turn right onto Silcherstrasse.
This is where we came to this morning. Very interesting. I guess we're going to the other town. Oh my goodness, this is funny. Or not. I didn't see the chickens. We saw some chicken and turkey this morning. This is the town we see from across our place. It seems so far away. This is cool. Interesting. Organization, I guess. Oh. I have a turn.
Turn right onto Silcherstrasse. Then turn right onto Kurpfalzring.
I have a turn coming up. Right here. Keep going. Keep going. And it looks like we are at a dead end ish.
Turn right onto Kurpfalzring. Then the destination is on your left.
Right here. And my destination should be here. But where? Not yet.
Proceed to the route.
Oh.
Turn left onto Endenetskort. Then turn left onto Kurpfalzring.
Let's see if I can turn around. these look residential?
Turn right onto Cairgorm. Then turn right onto Kirkfalsring.
Oh, okay. Looks like maybe.
Turn right onto Kirkfalsring. Then the destination is on your left.
I went the wrong way. And Beauty Point must be this here.
The destination is on your left. Guping 1. Arrived.
The destination is right there. Interesting. Let's pause. All right, so yeah, the GPS brought me to this neighborhood pretty much, and I came to a place. I mean, this is a neighborhood, but I guess in between they do have businesses. Oh. And it just seemed like I arrived at somebody's house, although they do have a sign in front of it advertising for doing nails. I didn't want to take a picture, but today is Saturday, so I think that they are closed. I didn't get down. Anyway, there was a fairly young man walking by, and so I asked him whether it was a nail salon, and he told me yes, but he has not seen people go in there to get their nails done. So he suggested that I go to another city, another area not too far from here, about 15 minutes away, and there should be more options for doing nails there. So I am on the way to go check it out. Yay, we are out of that neighborhood. Anyway, I realized that I did not take my German phone with me. I have the regular phone that I use at home, and I bought a SIM card to put on an older phone that I used to have, and unfortunately I didn't take it with me, but I could have called the place to see whether they were accepting clients at this time, but next time I gotta remember to take the phone with me. I think it's important.
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto B39 toward A6, then continue straight.
At the roundabout. Third exit.
Continue onto B39.
slower than me.
In 1 mile, turn right. Turn right, then turn right onto L594. At the light, turn right onto L594.
I just realized that they didn't even tell me what kind of gas this car takes. It's
Continue on to L594.
unbelievable. They did not tell me anything about the car.
In
I
a
gotta
quarter
call
mile,
them.
turn left onto Gerberswurstress. onto Gerbersristris, then turn left onto Hesselges.
Where?
Turn left onto Hesselges. Proceed to the route. Turn left onto Blumenstris, then turn left onto Hesselges. Turn left onto Hesselges, then turn right. Turn right onto Hesselges, then the destination is on your right.
Oh my goodness. Again, I feel like I'm in a neighborhood. And somehow where am I? Where am I? Oh my goodness. Where am I?
Destination is on your right. Hofstra 74.
What? My destination was on my
Arrived.
right? Where? Hang on. Oh, actually, I am standing right in front of the place. This is where I'm supposed to go to. But, I don't know where to park. I have no idea where to park. I have to find out. Let me see, maybe here. I don't see anyone parking on the side of the road, so. Hi.
Wir kommen nicht von hier.
I'm sorry?
Wir sind fremd.
What is it? I don't understand.
Deutsch.
No, the. What did she say?
Where do you want to go?
To the nail salon there. Do they have any parking?
You have to go to the parking house. This direction.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is just for
Walking.
walking.
Oh, sorry. I am so sorry. I didn't know. Okay. You heard it. I am in an area that is supposed to be for pedestrian only. You would think that the GPS would tell you that and make you avoid doing that, but it doesn't. So I gotta get out of here. The lady was nice. One of them tried to tell me that, but she didn't speak English, so I didn't understand her. And another lady that was there translated for us. So I see a sign for parking, so I'm gonna go there and hopefully I can park and walk back to the nails place. Actually, I'm not sure. Sorry, I'm not sure if I had the camera rolling, but I saw two ladies coming out of the nail salon, and oh, whoops, what did I do? Parking 126, parking 8. And their nails looked really nice, so I should really give it a try. This is quite a walk. Hi, excuse me.
Yes.
Is there a parking garage there?
To be honest, I don't know because I'm not living to here.
Oh, it says parking, so we can park on the side of the road.
I think you can just in the front.
Oh, in front of
There's
that
more,
car?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
There's more space.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Ay, life helped me. Well, I found a parking spot. It's back up here. Oh my goodness, this is just like so embarrassing. Ay. All right, I think I'm close enough. Let's go! I'm so excited. Oh, I made it. We are walking. Yeah, you were sleeping. You missed it all. I found the place, but there was no parking there. I got lost a few times. Yeah, you missed out on some of the adventure. We'll be there in just a minute. This town looks nice. It's very nice. Here. Oh, we have a green light. Very nice area. I can't believe I was driving in here. It actually has enough space for a car, but it's for pedestrian only. It's a very nice area. American. And the place is right here. You see that sculpture there? It's nice. And here is the place we're looking for. The girls' nails looked so nice, so hopefully we can get something done. Oh, I think they're open. How do you get in? No, don't tell me they're closed. Let me try and find out how to get in. Oh wait, there's a car there, so maybe I'm not the only person that drives in here. Anyway, it's gotten a little darker than when we got here. The sun is going down, setting. Yeah, we found the place. I went in there. Unfortunately, you have to have an appointment. They don't have any openings for today, so, and they don't close for another 2 hours, so it's a little odd, but they told me that I have to make an appointment, and the only time they have an appointment is Monday, which is day after tomorrow. So Monday I have plans to meet with someone, so maybe I could do it in the evening time, but yeah, they have some pretty nice designs in there. I would have loved to be able to do my nails today, so maybe I'll come back Monday evening. We are about to go on another adventure to Heidelberg. Yeah, we are going to Bismarckplatz. We'll do a separate video for that, and when I do in fact get my nails done, I'll add the video to this one. Till next time.